Alright, so here's two beautiful morels that me and my kid found out in the woods. They've been washed, tapped the spores in the woods. Now we're going to just cut them into thirds and do a little bit of Lawry's, some pepper, butter, maybe a splash of garlic salt. Melt some butter on flat top. Put the morels on low in the butter, freshly seasoned. Let them sit for a couple minutes before you flip them. You only want to flip them a time or two. So after a few minutes, you can flip them. They should have a nice golden brown color. Give them a few more minutes on this side, and that's all. Oh yeah, look at those. Once they're brown, ready to come off. Alright, so now that our morels have cooled off, you can see almost looks like a piece of steak. And I know these are good because I've been eating them all week. Oh yeah, just like steak. Oh, there's nothing better. So good. I could eat these all day, every day. 10 out of 10.